Hi guys, today we're removing old kitchen glass splashback. Okay, it is toughened glass, as you can see. It's broke like toughened glass supposed to break. However, the glue used has been a builder's glue, one of the fast setting one, which is combined with some other tapes, and it is really difficult to remove. This is why it is important that you're using the appropriate glue, so it's easy to remove the splashbacks when you're ready to replace it. Thank you. Right, so now when we have removed the splashback completely, we can see the excessive amount, the use of silicone, which is not necessarily the best technique, is to do a localized small little blobs in each corner of silicone adhesive, which can be easily targeted to cut off from behind, and those are the only points that you know of that are sticking the glass to the wall, so it's very easy to remove. Okay, so the best way to apply the kitchen glass splashback is using a glazer's neutral silicone adhesive, which is widely available in all DIY stores. Now we're going to be replacing a new panel, and if you can come and have a look closer, we already applied blobs of silicone, which are much easier to target when splashback needs to be removed, okay, rather than having the snake pattern combined with double-sided tapes. That technique is good in some installations, but particular kitchen glass splashbacks, it's really not suitable because those need to be replaced more frequently. Thank you. Alright guys, so now the installation is finished. As you can see, we have extended the splashbacks to the either side of the hob, and it is one of our unique designs on mirror stripes, which is running exactly through socket cutouts. As you can see, the sockets must be in a perfect level to allow for this design to work perfectly with your kitchen. And in the next video we will be showing you more and more little DIY tricks, how to measure the splashbacks and how to install it. With regards to measurements, we will show you how to do the proper additions or deductions. Thank you.